everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So these are false eyelashes. It comes with 50 pairs in 5 styles. It says handmade, fashion, natural, soft, comfortable, and they are all by this brand right there. But let's go ahead, open them up and see which ones we're going to use. Okay, so these are all the lashes that come in here. Like I said, it does come with 5 different pair. So you have those ones right there, which may be the ones I'm going to use. I'm going to lay them all out and see. You have these ones, which will look very natural. You have these ones, which are nice and wispy. You have these ones. And then we have these ones right there. So I think I'm going to go with these ones right here. So I'm going to show you how I like to apply lashes. I do it a little differently. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and take the lashes off this strip. And then I'm going to get some little scissors and I'm going to cut these up into strips. And I'm going to lay them out on my table in the order that I cut these up, because I'm going to be gluing them underneath my lashes, which is going to allow them to last a lot longer and just be very beautiful. Okay, now that I have them all laid out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue underneath my lashes. I'm going to scoot you guys in so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. So I have some lash glue and I like to use the Linx. It's L-I-N-X. You can get it off Amazon. That's the glue that I like to use. But you can use whatever you want. You don't even have to apply them like this. I like these because they'll last like up to 2 weeks, depending on how you take care of it. And I'm just going to take this glue and dab it at the base of my lashes. Just like that. So you just want to grab the lash where it's comfortable. You're going to look down and then do that. Going to the next lash. We're going to go like that. And to get them to last a little longer, I'm going to show you. I'm going to take this one off just because it's slightly overlapping. You take the glue and then you put it on the top side of this so it gets glue all over it. And that is it. So after you're done doing that, you're going to take the tweezers and I'm going to go behind them and I'm going to press them into my lashes and to each other. And that's just going to make them really last. Okay, and that is what it's going to look like. Let me go ahead and show you the top of them so you can kind of see. They are still lightly sticky, but as you can see, like they're gonna look so good. So as you can see, that's before, that is after. Let me go ahead and show you from the side. So let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so that is what it looks like completed. They are so pretty. And like I said, they will last up to 2 weeks depending on how you take care of them. You can wash them and everything. They do sell like lash shampoos and stuff. And that's what I do. But like, you just wake up looking like this. It's just awesome. So I do really like this set. The band is really thick. So for me, it was really nice because I could really stack them underneath. But you also really can't notice them. It kind of looks like I have like a dark eyeliner on. Even when I take off the eyeliner that I have, it'll like kind of look like I'm already wearing eyeliner, which I absolutely love. This set was really pretty. It looks like all the sets are going to be like really bold like this, which I love. I wear this kind of stuff every day. This set right here looks like it's going to be a little more natural, just not as bold, and it's going to look like more cat-eyed, along with this one. They're kind of more lighter, but that's a lot of lashes for the price. This is a really good deal. You can wear them regular strip, just put the glue on them and then glue them down. You can also stack these, like put multiple sets. It looks like I have lash extensions, and this is so much more affordable and just more ideal for me. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.